In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to bulk upload new prices to the system. First, have your spreadsheet completed. For the purposes of this tutorial, I am uploading 4 new price postings. I have 3 marked effective immediately, which means they will be effective immediately once I upload the spreadsheet, and 1 is marked no, which means it will not be effective till midnight Pacific time, the day I upload the sheet. Save your spreadsheet, log into the system, go to price postings, click it, go to bulk upload, click it. You can drag and drop your file here or click in the box, find your file, and click open. Go to upload and click it, and your prices should be added to the system. You can see I have several items for Oregon beer manufacturer that are active and 2 for pending. The 2 for pending is because I posted to both on the spreadsheet, which puts a line item for FOB and a line item for delivery. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.